Okay guys, I just want to come on here and show you some Otter Spirit products that I've received. Here are some of the bracelets that I have received in the past. And my newest one, I don't know if you can see, I'm trying to separate, is the middle one. That is my newest bracelet that I've received, and I'll show you that up close in this video. So let's take a look at some of these Otter Spirit products that I have received from Otter Spirit. Otter Spirit, I'd like to say thank you. And yes, this is a sponsored video from them. I love their product. And like I said, I want to show you the newest one that I have in the middle, the smaller one. But I also received a necklace. They just started adding necklaces and earrings to their collection. So let me show that to you guys. Okay guys, this is Otter Spirit jewelry. It's authentic. Look at this. New collections every month, Otter Spirit. It says on the first of each month, new collection. Discover a selection of hand-picked seasonal favorites at a special price for 30 days. Refresh your everyday essentials and match your ever-changing energy. And it says scan or visit otterspirit.com to discover this month's collection. And they are just beautiful. Everything about Otter Spirit is just beautiful. And when you order, you get this card. It says, thank you for your donation. $1 per product has been donated to help protect wild sea otters in collaboration with ocean wildlife organizations in Monterey Bay, California. And then on the back side, it says 20% off for you or a loved one. Your code, Otter Family. Very nice. And here's another one. Authenticity is beauty. And you can go to their website, otterspirit.com. But when you receive your order, they come in these boxes like this right here. The nice hard boxes. And they just open up like that. It's magnet. Very nice. And inside, this one says, each gemstone tells a unique story. Now it's time to write yours. How nice. And they come with this really nice little pouch right here. Okay, so now I've got this out. This is this here is a black gemstone. I chose this because honestly, I wear a lot of colors that I like to wear, silver and black. And so that's why I chose this one. Not sure how well you can see that, but here's the back side. Very nice necklace. I love this. I have not tried this on, so I guess I'll have to try it on and let you guys know how it fits. But it is beautiful, and I have a feeling I'm going to wear it with just about everything, just like I do the bracelets. All right, let's take a look at these other packages that I have here, these other boxes. Okay, so I have the boxes open, and this is a black one. And of course, I wanted it to go with that black necklace. But look how small the beads are. That is pretty awesome. I do not have any bracelets that are that small of beads. And then here's a white one. Now let's come over here to my jewelry box. Right here. And here are my bracelets that I have from Otter Spirit. And now we'll be able to add these two small bracelets. And there's the comparison of the two different sizes of stones that you can get. This is the stone, obviously, as you can tell, that I picked the most. So it's very nice to have some of these in my collection, that smaller stone. Very nice. But these are some of the colors. Looks like I need some blue and purple, doesn't it? But yeah, I really like that small stone right there. Very nice. Okay, I'm not sure if you can see this or not, but it has two different places according to the length you may want for this to lay on your neck. And so, of course, that if you put it here, that's the longer length. You put it there, it would be a little shorter length. And very nice. And see how nice the chain is? I just tried this on, and I absolutely love it. And Otter Spirit always has their little symbol thing here. Right there. On their jewelry. So, that's it right there. see that a little better. But yeah, this jewelry piece is new to their collection. They have different styles, different colors rather. And they even have matching earrings. Oh my gosh, I forgot about that. They have matching earrings. And that is one that something I'm going to look into next. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.